listen up. Just a good old boy, never meaning no harm. Beats all you ever saw, been in trouble with the law since the day they was born.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are headed to Hebron, Ohio to race in the Kings of Columbus No Prep start of the season April 2025 race, where we're going to be entering into the stick shift class and taking some shots at winning with our white car. Last end of 2024, just started getting it dialed in our last race event we went to. In 2025, we can make some adjustments to what we finished with at 24 and do actually pretty well with the racing prep. We've got about a 3-hour trip. We got to go get the trailer hooked up. So we're pretty pumped because we'll be able to actually make some stick shift hits. Even though it's pretty cold out here in Ohio, we'll be ready to go. Well, we get to put a helmet on finally. Let's go do some hood rat shit. For you guys that don't know, this is a 363 small block turbo combo stick shift Tremec T56. We're getting ready to go up to the tower to do our buy-in. Catch can cleaned out, and yeah, I'll be ready to make some hits. So we'll get the car warmed up here in a minute, go down some of the return roads and light it up a little bit, put the new tune in. I don't know how many stick shifts are here, but we're about to find out. Finally get to put my helmet on today. Hell yeah. Boys.
You see it, man. You see it. Look at this guy. Man, I know we haven't seen this in a while.
They literally let anybody in here all day.
This is pretty much bare concrete right here. Go check out the surface. True no prep, like street racing. I'm not gonna. There's not any glue or anything down, so it's gonna be pretty tricky. Gotta turn the car down for sure. Take a bunch of boost out of it. Might just not put any on it at all. Maybe put it on the butt. You'll be burning out past here, and we'll be setting up for an instant green. What's up, Joe?
Hey, what's up?
Got the kiddo here today?
Yeah.
That's cool, man. It's good to see you again.
Today?
Yeah. We got a couple cars. Just only about 4 of us, so we shouldn't be here too long.
Joe owns a Toyota Supra 2JZ big turbo build with a T56 Magnum. We get a chance to race with Joe a couple times a year. It's nice to see different types of cars in the stick shift class that you can appreciate.
It's all brand new concrete.
It's worse than the
Isn't it?
street. Feel it. It's like your garage floor.
Oh yeah, for sure. All the way through?
It gets worse out there, actually. It seems like it gets smoother.
Hey, that's what we're here to do, right?
Yeah.
It's called no prep for a reason.
This will be one of the hardest tracks that I've ever raced on, being that it's bare concrete. It's going to be tricky to tune the car to make it go down the track. After about 30 minutes, driver meeting where we could draw chips who we're going to race against. There's $1,000 on the pot for stick shift. There's only 4 cars. It's a small class. Pretty excited just to make a hit.
First round, we only got like 4 stick shift cars. We're gonna go knock some of the dust off and get the thing warmed up a little bit. Nothing super special today. Get some of this dirt off, get my air pressure set, and get ready for the first round.
When I'm talking about getting your shit off the jack stands, this is what it's all about. I'm in the lanes, I got my helmet on. To me, this is like therapy. I'm proud of my car. I spent a lot of money on it in 24 to get it right. Never really got a chance to lean on it. Make some adjustments in 25 and make it down the track safely here. Maybe with a win, maybe not. Either way, I'm just proud to be here. I'm happy, and for once, I have peace of mind. Definitely a tricky surface, especially with a stick shift car. We had a good pass A to B, went down the track safe. We have some tune issues, and we definitely have some brake issues still. But we're here competing, having some fun, and doing what we love.
Okay, so we didn't do too bad. The right lane's obviously a little bit better than the left lane. It was a good race with Mike all the way down the track. We were pretty much door to door, both struggling a little bit. You know, I'm just proud to be able to race with some of my stick shift friends from the South. Brakes still suck real bad because I tried to stop and they're still super spongy. And I got a little RPM issue. It's not revving past 6,000 either, which actually worked out for me. But everything happy. Nothing's wrong, thankfully. So we'll take it home and just get better. We always have a live stream over on Sundays. Jason's been part of the channel for many years, and he won a Tremec banner. So big shout out to my kid at Tremec for hooking us up with the banners that we can give away to subscribers and members of the channel. So
witness protection.
it's a hard tire S10 car on concrete.
Yes.
That's the type of races we got going on. So we had to come over and dap up my man. It's the real McCoy, Mike McCoy. Had a good race with him. Have you ever raced on this before, like straight concrete?
Litchfield, we did.
Long time ago. Long time ago. Yeah. Well, we usually race like, you know, back half stuff. You know, this is like asphalt.
Right.
Like on the back half. So I mean, that stuff we kind of know.
Yeah.
A little bit of rock and glue, a little strip liner, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Badass little grudge car here. Small block Ford. All that matters is there's a distributor in the front.
Distributor in the front. Carburetor on top.
The carburetor on top. Amy McCoy.
Thank you.
You guys have been racing together for years, huh?
Yes.
Every weekend almost. I think you race Duncan next. So I'm gonna get a little footage on that. That's what I'm kind of waiting on. So
My wife and daughter packed parachute. Only two I trust to pack my parachute.
really,
Oh yeah. 'Cause I know for sure they want to see Dad come home.
that's right.
Even though we only got to make one pass, we got to have a lot of fun with some of the friends that we see at the track all the time. I didn't really get a chance to cover a lot of the other racing. There's a number of channels like Drag or Die and Spooled Media that cover it very, very well. On the way back to the trailer, spotted a really, really nice SS Monte Carlo. Now, if I had a GM, it would be something like this.
I'm gonna have that stance. I ain't gonna squat in the back. I got a point with Sean.
So on to the finals, Ricky Duncan versus Mike McCoy for $1,400. Not a whole lot of money, but enough to go down the track with. Should be a great race as both of these guys are from the South, and we look forward to racing against some of them in our Stick Shift Point Series this year. All in all, wasn't a bad day. Definitely a tricky surface for everyone. It was a lot of fun watching the other racers. Hopefully everyone got home safe that might have had an issue, as this was definitely a tricky surface. As to be expected, being the first race of the season.
All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Wasn't a super fancy video, but we got a chance to get out and get our helmet on and have a little bit of fun with it. If you guys enjoy this sort of content, we got a lot of work to do with the car. We got to put some new brakes on it. We got some ignition stuff, some tune related stuff. Shake it down, have a better pass, have a better outing next time we're out. Hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't. Hit that join button, become a member of the channel. Appreciate all my members. I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.